In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to analyze meetings in HubSpot. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to look for, so you can understand how your meetings are performing and how to improve your follow-ups. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. Type HubSpot into the search bar and press Enter. Look for the official HubSpot website in the results and click through. If you're already signed in, you'll land in your portal. If not, log into your account. Use your standard login method, and if you have multi-factor authentication enabled, complete that step. If you have access to multiple portals, make sure you select the correct one so you're analyzing the right data. Once you're in HubSpot, move your mouse to the left-hand sidebar. This is your main navigation. Hover to expand it if it's collapsed, and locate the Sales section. You may see a few tools under Sales. The one we want is Meeting Scheduler. Go ahead and click it. The Meeting Scheduler is where your personal and team scheduling pages live. Each listing typically represents a meeting link you share with prospects or customers to book time with you. You'll see details like the meeting name and who owns it. This is your starting point for analysis. Next, click on the specific meeting you want to analyze. Pick the one that corresponds to a campaign you're running or a common use case, like demos or discovery calls. Opening a meeting's details will give you access to its performance. This is where the most meaningful metrics live. First, look at the number of meetings booked. This tells you how often people are using that link to schedule time. Track this over your desired period and compare it to your outreach volume or marketing activity to understand what's driving bookings. Then review meeting completion rates. This shows the percentage of scheduled meetings that actually happened. A healthy completion rate signals strong prospect intent and solid reminders. If it's low, consider tightening your confirmation and reminder emails or shortening the lead time between booking and the meeting. Check no-shows and cancellations next. Spikes here might indicate timing issues, unclear value in the invite, or conflicts created by overlapping calendars. Reducing friction with clearer descriptions and multiple time options can help. Finally, evaluate follow-up effectiveness. After a meeting, look for whether follow-up emails were sent, tasks were completed, and next steps were booked. Consistent, timely follow-ups correlate with higher conversion and shorter sales cycles. That's it. Navigate to Meeting Scheduler, open the meeting you care about, and focus on bookings, completion, no-shows, and follow-ups. Repeat this for your key meeting types, and you'll quickly see where to optimize.